guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lily and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my baked seafood boils. Yes, baked. I've been wanting to do this baked seafood boil in the video for a long time because it's really flavorful. It has a lot of nice seasonings. So come on over here and let me show you what I'm going to be using. It's the usual stuff, you know, the corn on the cob, the eggs, the sausages. Those are the Georgia sausages. They're really good and flavorful. Have a lot of taste and flavor. I have some potatoes. I have some scallops. I'm not really big on scallops. I got some jumbo shrimp. You know, look at the size of that shrimp. Do y'all see? Look at that shrimp. Just let me show it to you like that. That is a big shrimp. The tiger shrimp. I have some snow crab legs right here. A couple of lemon lime. And I have my seasonings right here, which is usual. Now, when you're doing a baked seafood boil or seafood in a bag, because you do bake the seafood in a bag, but we're not doing that today. But you always want to pre-cook your corn, your eggs, and your potatoes because they usually take a little longer to cook than the snow crabs because you know they're already pre-cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have this pan right here that I'm going to be using. And first thing I'm going to do is, oh, I forgot my butter, y'all. I will be using my butter. I'm just going to put some of this butter in the bottom of the pan so that they won't stick. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and place my snow crabs around in the pan. No particular way. You could just place them in there. I have a couple extra. And then I'm going to go ahead and over here, I'm going to slice my potatoes up because they're rather large. And I'm just going to place them around in the pan. Just place them wherever you want. Let's do one more. After you get the potatoes in there, you're going to go ahead and put your corn in. I mean, well, there's no specific order that you have to put this stuff in, but you put it in there. With the shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and place the shrimp around in there. And this is one way you don't have to worry about your shrimp overcooking. I have two different kinds of tiger shrimp. But like I said, this is going to be really good and flavorful. I'm going to go ahead and place my scallops in there, which I only have like 4 of those. I'm going to go ahead and put my sausages in there. Just place them around, no special order. And I'm going to go ahead and drop my eggs on there. Now I'm going to take, let me wipe this off. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to take my lemons. And slice up, and then I'm going to squeeze a little bit over it like that right there. Not a lot because I'm not a lemon lover. I'm also going to take a lime. And I'm going to squeeze that whole lime over it. Careful with the limes because they can get a little hard. Just going to squeeze it over it like that right there. I don't like a whole lot. I'm going to take my accent. And I'm going to put it over there. Put it over it. I'm going to take my Caribbean spice. And I'm going to splash that over it as well. I'm going to take my red pepper. And I'm gonna drop some of that over there, like that. And take my chives, and that's not opened. I already have one opened. Oh, or maybe I don't. I'm gonna sprinkle those chives over it like that right there. I'm gonna take my garlic powder, and I'm heavy with the garlic powder, so I'm just gonna go over it like that. I'm gonna take my Old Bay, and I'm gonna go over it like that right there. And it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna get a little bit more chives because I love the chives. Just gonna take and put this lemon over here for decoration. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven for about, I say 30 minutes. And when I come back, I'm going to show you the final results. Hold on, I am going to cover this with aluminum foil. So let me get the foil so that I can cover this. Where my other foil at? So I'm going to cover this with foil here. And I'm going to let it, oh, I'm ripping my foil. I'm going to cover this with foil, and I'm going to let it cook for about 30 minutes.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I've let this cook for about 25 or 30 minutes. Come on over here. And what I like to do is all the salts and stuff that I showed you, the seasonings, I'm going to go ahead and place some over the top. Just so that sauce can go all the way through it.
Get all those juicy flavors in there, rubbed in like that. So I'm gonna put this in the oven on high 500. For about 10 to 15 more minutes. And I like to slice up my eggs, guys. Some of them, not all of them. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes on 500. And since this was a pre-boiled cooked crab boil, I did cook it on high 450. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back in the oven after I add a little extra garnish. A little bit more chives. I'm going to pop this back in the oven on 500 for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not going to cover it this time because everything is baked well. And when I come back, you'll see the end results. Okay, so and these are your end results. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumb this video up, share it if you like. You guys have a good one.